Hey, hi everyone. In today's video, we will see how you can review the voices which are dubbed for your video, right? So YouTube has this feature wherein they dub voices in different languages using AI, and it is auto-published, right? Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So for another channel, I will just take an example. Then I will take a random video. What you have to do is to review. You have to click the video, open the video, and over here you can see languages. Right, click on languages. Now over here under translation, you can see this video has been translated by YouTube into so many languages: Arabic, Bangla, Dutch, and you can see the status as published, right? French, Germany, Hebrew, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean. So I hadn't selected. YouTube has by default translated auto dub this. I had not requested for all these languages. So it is not necessary that all the videos would be converted and translated into these auto dubbing languages. It depends. YouTube does it one by one, depending maybe on the views and the public which is visiting this video. But to review this, basically you have to go on the language, just click on it. Right now, you can play the video, right, and you can review it. Right, you can review it, review the language, review all the description, the title which you are seeing over here. You can basically even unpublish if you feel it's not right. You can click on review so that it gets reviewed again. And this is the way. See, basically you can see the transcript over here, right? This is the way you can review. You can ask them to unpublish so that if you find there are a lot of inconsistencies in the translation, you can unpublish it. YouTube will again go through it, and this is the way you can see the direct option over here as well, unpublish or delete. If you find any language which you feel is inconsistent when it comes to translation, you can unpublish it. YouTube will review it from their end. So this is the way you can review the translated or dubbed voices for your videos on your YouTube channel. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.